Welcome to our demo video on how to complete the organization-based KYC process on the eMudra portal if the applicant and the authorized signatory are different. Let's get started. Visit our website www.emudradigital.com. Select class type as class 3. Select user type organization. Select certificate type, signature, encryption, or both. If you require both signature and encryption certificates, you can select the combo option. Choose the certificate validity, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. For this demonstration, we'll choose the organization combo certificate type with a validity of 3 years. Enter your contact number, which will be used for certificate processing, and click on Verify. Please note the mobile number used in this step will be considered for the KYC account that will be created. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number you entered. For this video, we will select a government organization without GSTIN, where the applicant and authorized signatory are different. Click the checkbox below the GSTIN field and select organization type as Government PSU. Now, enter your organization name and PIN code, then click Proceed. Select the checkbox stating GSTIN is not applicable or available. Enter the address and click on Next. Under Authorized Signatory Details, enter the signatory's PAN number and click Proceed. Enter the name, organization unit or department to which the signatory belongs, and select Employee ID. Click on the checkbox if Employee ID is not available. Enter the mobile number, date of birth, and email ID of the signatory. Select the gender and click on Next. Next, under DSC Applicant Information, enter the email ID of the applicant and click on Next. Now it's time to upload your documents. Start by uploading your photo in JPG or PNG format, followed by a copy of the authorized signatory's proof and the ID proof of the authorized signatory in JPG, PNG or PDF format. Once everything is uploaded, click on Submit. Make sure that the file sizes are below 10 megabytes. Upon successful submission, you will receive an application ID and the signatory may proceed to complete the credential setup steps. An email with the link would have been sent to the signatory's email ID. Click on Track and Expedite link. Now enter the authorized signatory mobile number and click on Get OTP. An OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number you have entered. Enter the OTP and click on Proceed. Now you will be redirected to the Track Application Status page. Click on Verify Email ID. Create a unique username and a user PIN of 6 characters. Click on Get Email OTP and the OTP will be sent to the registered email ID and then click on Get Mobile OTP. Please note, if you want to change the email ID, the same can be done in these steps. Enter the OTP you received via email and mobile, then click Submit. You will then be redirected to the video verification page where the video needs to be completed within 45 seconds. Now click on Start Recording to start the verification process and read the instructions mentioned on the page. I am your name, applied for DSC with eMudra. 450 is the code for this video. This is my ID proof, and this is my authorization letter. Once you have shown all the necessary documents and completed the 45-second video, the recording will stop automatically. Now you can preview the video to ensure that both video and audio have been captured properly. If everything is correct, click on Submit. If not, click on Record again to redo the video. Once the video recording is completed, you will be redirected to the payment page where you will be required to complete the payment for the digital signature certificate. Your billing details, like your email ID and address, will be automatically fetched in the required fields. Enter the GSTIN details if available, and if not available, click on No. Now click on Proceed to pay. After the payment is completed, the authorized signatory account will be validated by eMudra in 30 minutes, after which you need to sign the e-sign agreement. Upon successful validation and approval from eMudra, you will receive an email to complete the subscriber agreement. Click on the option Login and e-sign subscriber agreement. Now click on Login as existing user option. Enter the username and PIN created during the process and click on Login. Enter your registered mobile number and click on Get OTP. Next, enter the OTP. Tick on the consent and click on Validate. Now you will be directed to the Track Application Status. Scroll down and click on Verify e-sign. You will be redirected to the Subscriber Agreement page. Go through the e-sign agreement and click on the consent. Select Agree and e-sign option. Once the organization KYC account is activated, the applicant will receive an email to complete the pending process. Click on Complete KYC. Enter your mobile number and click on Get OTP. An OTP will be sent to the applicant's registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Proceed. Next, enter the applicant's PAN number and click on Proceed. Enter the applicant's name, organization name or department to which the applicant belongs and select Employee ID. If Employee ID is not available, you may select the checkbox below. Enter the date of birth. Select the gender and click on Next. Now it is time to upload your documents. Start by uploading your photo in JPG or PNG format, followed by a copy of PAN card and ID proof of the applicant in JPG, PNG, or PDF format. Once everything is uploaded, click on Submit. Upon successful submission, you may proceed to complete the credentials setup steps. Create a unique username and desired PIN of minimum 6 characters. Click on Get OTP. An OTP will be sent to the registered email ID. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. Next, you will then be redirected to the video verification page, where the video needs to be completed within 45 seconds. Now click on Start Recording to start the verification process and read the instructions mentioned on the page. I am, your name, applied for DSC with eMudra. 618 is the code for this video. This is my PAN card and this is my identity letter with organization letterhead. Once you have shown all the necessary documents, you can click on Stop Recording. Now you can preview the video to ensure that both the video and audio have been captured properly. If everything is correct, click on Submit. If not, click on Record again to redo the video. The authorized signatory would have received the track and expedite link on email. Click on the same. Next, log in as an existing user by entering your username, PIN, mobile number, and OTP. Then click on Validate. Now you will be redirected to the organization dashboard page. Under Manage KYC, select Request under Actions. Click on Process. Under Quick Actions, click on Approve and then enter the remarks and then click on Approve again. Now, enter the e-sign PIN and click on Get OTP. An OTP will be sent on the signatory's registered mobile number. Enter the same. Now, tick on the consent and click on Perform e-sign. A message will confirm the applicant details have been approved successfully. Once the account is verified by the signatory, the application will be validated by eMudra within 30 minutes, after which you need to sign the e-sign agreement. Upon successful validation and approval from eMudra, applicant will receive an email containing a link to complete the subscriber agreement. Click on the Login and e-sign subscriber agreement option and log in as existing user, entering the applicant's username and PIN, mobile number, and OTP. Under Track and Expedite, click on Verify e-sign, which will redirect you to the e-sign agreement. Go through the agreement and click on Consent and select Agree and e-sign option. Please verify your details and proceed to set your download password, also called the challenge code. You can set the challenge code of your choice with a minimum of 6 characters. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Generate and e-sign. Your application will now be 100% complete and the application is ready to download. For a step-by-step guide on downloading your DSC on Windows or Mac OS, please visit our official eMudra YouTube channel. You will find detailed walkthrough videos to help you through the entire process. Thank you for watching.